evrExpanse 3 is a smart, metadata-focused batch file processing tool that allows you to extract camera metadata and/or transcode master files while embedding metadata into the output files. To transcode master files, choose the folder containing the media files you want to transcode and the folder where the transcoded files will be saved. You can select them by clicking on the Choose button or by dragging and dropping the folders directly into the application. Then, select Transcode modes. evrExpanse offers 3 modes for transcoding master files: Smart, Manual, and Pass-Through. The main concept behind evrExpanse transcoding function is to create a one-to-one copy of the original files using an intermediate codec while applying smart techniques to optimize the process. Smart mode decides if transcoding is necessary for audio and video streams based on codec type. Intermediate codecs like ProRes, DNX, Cineform, and PCM for audio don't require transcoding. Smart transcoding maps master media parameters to destination media parameters, reducing computation and load. Audio and video streams can be transcoded to the desired format or pass through independently. Pass-through mode applies pass-through of audio and video streams, while manual mode applies transcoding with selected settings. The master file metadata is included in the transcoded files in all 3 modes and can be retrieved using the export metadata function. This is useful if the captured codec is not ideal for editing, as the files can be transcoded into more suitable intermediate codecs without sacrificing quality or metadata. This is a unique feature that is rarely found in other applications on the market. Next, proceed to the transcode audio and video settings and choose your preferred video codec from the available options, such as ProRes, DNxHR, Cineform, DPX, or EXR. Choose audio format, PCM with 16, 24, or 32-bit options available. For DPX or EXR codec, audio tracks from the master file will be transcoded into a separate WAV file and can be mono, stereo, or multi-channel. Select GoPro .360 resolution. This option allows you to select the desired equirectangular resolution, 4K or 5.6K, of the exported 360 video if any raw GoPro .360 video is being processed. Integrate with Assimilate Scratch by selecting Insert Selected Files with exported metadata into an existing Scratch project. This generates an XML file with file references and metadata, sent to the ScratchWatch folder for processing and copied to the log folder. Destination file name. In this box you can customize the name of the transcoded files by adding a text at the end of the file name. Once you've made your desired selections, simply click the Transcode button to begin the batch process. Metadata export and transcode master files can be used alone or in combination depending on the workflow. If the master files need to be transcoded to an intermediate codec before importing into NLEs, master files transcoding can be used first. Then, export metadata can be used on the transcoded files so that they can be imported into the NLEs with the metadata inherited from the master files. After the process is completed, all transcoded files are saved in the destination folder, while XML files and the log file are stored in the log folder. Thanks for watching.